Hi, today I'm going to make Bouvardias. A very pretty flower with its box-like buds and very easy to make. Materials required are crepe paper in pink and green, a thick wire, thin wire, pink colored pen, green floral tape and some tissue paper. All measurements are in centimeter. This is the stencil for the flower and bud. This is 2.5 by 1.75 centimeters. Cut as many as you like. This is for the sepal. This is 2 centimeters by 0.75 centimeters. Cut the same number as the flowers and buds. And this is for the leaf. This is 6.5 by 3 centimeters. Cut as many as you like. For the flower, first take the piece and just stretch it as much as you can comfortably. Fold it in half and then half again. It will be almost like a square. Now holding the point, which is the joint, just put that towards you and cut out petals. Leaving this side joint and just open it up. You get the shape. And just take the pen first and join these joints. Like this, and just curl the petals slightly. Like so. Now cut a piece of thin wire. So this is about 5.5 centimeters long. First, just make a hole in the center of the flower with this. And I've cut a strip of the pink paper, so just stretch it. And wind it on this wire. Like so. Then just apply glue, leaving about 1 millimeter on the top. Like this. And put the wire through. When it reaches that point where you put the glue, just sort of stick it. So you get a flower like this. Now this is the piece for the sepal. So just cut out very thin triangles on it, 4 in number. Like this. Apply glue and leave about 1 centimeter from the base, and then just stick this, rolling it between your fingers. So this is how the flower would look. For the bud, again stretch it in the same manner. And fold it also, as I did earlier. And cut the petals also in the same way. And then with the wire, just make a hole also in the same manner. Now this piece of wire is again 5.5 centimeter long. Now take a piece of the tissue paper. So I just want a thin strip. Just fold it. Apply glue. And just wind it on one end of the wire at the same spot, making it thick. Like so. Now I have this strip of the paper, pink paper. Stretched it and apply glue. And cover this entire thing. And the wire. Like so. Now just take the center, the wire, and apply glue on the base. Like so. And take the flower and just put this through. Like so. Then just apply glue on the top of the wire and just fold over the petal and stick it. So this is how it will look. Now take the sepal. It's cut the same way as I did for the flower. So this is how the bud would look. cut another piece. This is again 5.5 centimeters long of the thin wire. Now I'll just make a bunch of these, so just put them all together. So you can make 3 flowers and 1 bud, or whatever way, and then just take a piece of the green floral tape, stretch it. First just wind it at the base so that they all come together. Then just take this wire and put it next to the stems, and then just wind the tape over it. Open them out a bit. So this is how the bunch would look. I have made the others in the same manner. For the thin wire, this is about 9 centimeters, so I just cut a piece. Now take the leaf. First just score lines for the veins. Like so. Now take some green floral tape. Stretch it and wind it on this wire. Like this. Apply glue on the leaf. And stick the wire. So this is how the leaf would look. Now to assemble it, just cut a long piece of the floral tape. Stretch it. Take the thick wire and just put all these bunches, just leaving a little of the stem. They're almost together, so just put one, wind a bit, and put the second one. And take a leaf. So the leaves are opposite to each other and they don't have much of a pedestal, much of the stem showing. Wind a bit, leaving a little gap about 2 inches or so, and then you can put the second pair of leaves. Like this. So now just open the leaves out a bit. and the bunches. So this is how the flowers would look.